Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. Here is one really awesome party recipe, fish bites. Bite-sized boneless fish pieces marinated in a unique marinade and deep fried to perfection. Let's see how to make these. Come on. I'm using boneless salmon fillet cut into bite-sized pieces. You can use any boneless fish you like. Now these simple everyday ingredients are combined together to create a unique flavor to marinate the fish pieces. This is not a very spicy recipe, but adjust spice as per your taste. Lemon juice will add a tang to the fish marination. These are carom seeds which I have roughly crushed to add its unique taste to the dish. I'm also using roughly crushed coriander seeds to go with the other seasonings. This is my mom's garam masala and I have shown this recipe earlier and I have put the link in the description box below. Finely chopped coriander leaves for a fresh herb flavor. Give it a good mix and we still have a few more ingredients to go in. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Oil will bind all the seasonings together. Lightly mix the fish pieces until coated well. Chickpea flour will give a nice coating and hold all the seasoning and spices onto the fish. Lightly mix and we are not adding any water as the lemon juice and oil are enough to moisten the flour. Once all mixed, leave it aside for 15 minutes. We will deep fry the fish pieces in medium hot oil. Do not move the pieces until you see them float on top. We will then just move them around to fry evenly. If you like my recipes, then go ahead and click the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I post every week. These are done and look fantastic. Drain the excess oil and remove onto a paper towel. We still have a couple more things before we serve these yummy bites. Sprinkle some chaat masala and some coriander leaves to upgrade the flavor instantly. These fish bites will be gone in a flash, so make a bigger batch if you have foodies at home. Hope you like this recipe and I'll see you next week with another yummy recipe. Until then, bye.